Okay, so one of the questions you run across when you buy an older house is, do you replace the windows or do you fix the windows that are there? And really, that's a personal preference, and there is advantages to the new windows, but budget's a big factor because they're not cheap. So in this case, we replaced the window. John did an awesome job measuring, and the house is so nice and square that the window is perfectly you just tack on square. So what a nice fit. Cleaned it all out, took all the old window out, the moldings, and then the top. Remember to put on there's a little cap on top, so put that on. There was another piece that kind of put a slant to it, but really couldn't fit that in. The fit was so snug. So then we tested it. It was nice and level and nice and plumb. So now we're gonna go get some insulation, and he's gonna tuck some insulation in here. And yeah, you could put a strip here, but honestly, it's gonna be hard to nail. So after some good insulation, a bead of caulk down through there, and then all this can be painted. And then the inside, there's a little bit of molding that'll go on right here, but after it's insulated a little bit. So all in all, it's pretty much some TLC, and it's gonna look great. So replacement window option.